Hey everyone, welcome back. I recently bought this Larah by Borosil cup and saucer set, so let's check it out. This one is a 12-piece set, 6 cup and 6 saucer, MRP 715, but I got it from Amazon for just 501 and the link is given in the description box. Look at this beautiful plain white opalware design, very elegant and modern, no fancy pattern, just clean and classy, perfect for daily tea and coffee. And these cups are made up of 100% pure opalware and they are dishwasher safe, microwave safe, freezer safe. The cups feel solid and premium, not too heavy, not flimsy. Capacity of the cup is 145 ml, perfect for tea and coffee, and the saucer is 13.6 centimeter. And the saucers are perfectly sized, no wobbling. Only one small thing I notice is that the cup handles ears are quite small. If you have bigger fingers, it might feel a bit tight or uncomfortable to hold for long, but for most people it's fine. Packaging also was excellent. Overall great looking, super durable. So if you're looking for a classy cup and saucer set, you can definitely give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.